Hello, I'm David. I'm the product manager of the SMEMA Ethernet adapter. Today I'm going to show you how to conduct interlocking at the start of a line. This is where there is no upline machine to interlock the signal to the downline machine. This can be used for user triggers, such as pressing the user interface to unlock the interlock, or it can be conducted using integration with third-party systems. So let me demonstrate what we're trying to overcome. So at the moment there is no attachment to the upline machine because there is no machine. We're at the start of the line and we're attached to the downline. We want to trigger movement of a board. We unlock the interlock like so, and you'll see that the downline has not gone good board ready, and that's because the upline is not ready. So it's the lock's being removed, but there's no signal to pass through, and the same goes for all the others. So what could you do? You could physically connect the cabling of the good board on the upline, but we've implemented it in software. So if you go to the settings area and the good board available and bad board available, you'll see there's the subscriptions to the hardware of the SMEMA. If you tick always available next to good board and bad board and click save, go to the user interface, you'll see that there are now locks applied, which means that when you unlock the interlock for the good board, you'll see that the downstream now gets a good board ready signal. Now, in this scenario, the board's moved through, but there's now no trigger to remove the signal. In normal scenarios, the upline would then go not good board ready, and that will pass through, and the interlock will then return back to normal like so. So what we need is other triggers based upon the other signals that are moving through the machine. So if we go to the settings area, you'll find triggers, and if we enable block good board when SMEMA machine not ready, block bad board when machine not ready, then we can unlock the interlock for the good board. It passes through as normal. That board will then move into the machine. The machine would go machine not available, and the interlocks will be reset. The machine will become available again, and you'll be able to repeat the process. As so. So I just wanted to highlight those new features, which are an advantage for the use of interlocking at the start of the machine, and I hope that helps, and thank you for watching. Cheers.